If you're here right now, sitting quietly beside someone you love, breathe. You don't need to do anything else in this moment. This time is sacred. You are doing so much simply by being here. Let's begin with a breath. Inhale slowly. Hold for a moment. Exhale gently. Again. Inhale presence. Exhale tension. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw loosen. Let your hands relax, even as they hold. Now quietly repeat in your heart, I am here. That is enough. I offer love, not perfection. I can feel and still find peace. You may hear machines, movement, silence. Let it all be a part of this moment. It's okay to feel the weight. And it's okay to rest right here inside your breath. Let's do a gentle body scan. Notice your feet, your back, your breath. Wherever you're holding tight, soften. If tears come, let them. If silence comes, hold it. There's no wrong way to be here. Only love. Take one last deep breath in and release. You are enough. You are seen. You are deeply appreciated. This moment, however hard, is also full of care, and you're not alone.